My session today was about the transition from Construction 1.0 to Construction 4.0. We spoke about how we are entering an era of automation of the decision-making process based on cyber-physical systems. We also spoke about the challenges in education and how we need to train people and professionals for this new agile and flexible era, and how important are soft skills for them. The building sector is transforming in a slow pace. We took nearly 20 years to embrace BIM as a methodology and not as a software or a technology. And I believe we are undergoing to the same process with Construction 4.0. It's a complex transition and it needs a real shift in education as well that can take around 15 to 20 years. This was my first time in a Congress in the last 2 years. And I was very pleased about how everything went. It felt really safe. It felt also welcoming and cozy, and I wasn't expecting that. I was expecting to be a little bit strange, and the organization took care of all the concerns that I needed to have, so I was very well informed about everything, and it went perfectly well.